Penny-Rexiao Technology Company Limited is an innovative and energetic enterprise with the integration of designing, manufacturing and selling stylus pens, USB cables, wireless chargers, phones and tablet holders. Founded in 2011, Rexiao Technology is Apple official authorized MFI certificated factory, also an ISO 9001, BSCI, SETX, Disney compliant company. As a result of our consistency in product quality and surfaces, our products are continuously exported to Europe, North America, South America, and Western Europe. Our main customers are Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and other cross-border e-commerce, B2C, B2B merchants, as well as many well-known foreign offline wholesalers and supermarkets. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE, RoHS, FCC, REACH, SVHC, Organic 10, SCCP, Total Lead and Total Cadmium, MSDS, UN 38.3 certificates. Our factory covers an area of 4,000 square meters and manned by over 150 staff members, including more than 20 experienced management persons and technicians. We have independent R&D team. We are capable of developing 3 to 4 new products monthly. We adhere to the principle of your digital life, no limits. Our products have become popular with clients in the worldwide markets. ODM orders are also welcome.